unexpectedly, so my face is so bloated. It has all this indentation in it. Let's do a quick gua sha. And I took 4 Bye Bye Bloat capsules. This is gonna fix my waterway problems. So I like to try to work on like a little bit of an eyebrow lift because I feel like I always have puffy eyebrows. I saw this technique from other creators where you kind of get into your eyebrow here. Start gua shaing up. Really gonna need it on the other side for all of those indentations. Next, I like to go under the eye, right into eyelid area. I kind of swooping up. You're kind of pushing it back and then down into your lymph node area. Smile lines, you wanna try to loosen this muscle a little bit right in here. Kind of this cone side, and just gently start to pull back and away. We're gonna work on our cheeks last. This is the motion. You go up, and then I like to go back and down. Did this side of my face. I think a slight improvement. My Bye Bye Bloat capsules are probably gonna have the most effect on helping me drain all this lymph fluid and pushing into my lymphs. It helps you pee out all that stuff. Okay, I'm done. Do you guys think better, less puffy than when we started? So my this thing is from Face Gym. I love it. And Bye Bye Bloat. So thanks guys for helping me today.